So guys, this is the Happy Independence, guys. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, I start beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So yes, happy Independence Day to all the Jamaicans out there, whether you're still living in Jamaica or not. Happy Independence. So today is August 6th, so that is why I'm saying happy Independence. And today, since it's just a special day, I just decided I will vlog today, and then it will be fun. Hopefully it will be fun. If it's not fun, then you still live the day with Shakay. Yeah, still live the day with Shakay. So when I really just wake up, I kind of wake up good well now. I'm not even sure what time now. Alright, so it is 7:26 a.m. right now, as you guys can see. Yeah, so 7:27 actually. So I'm up, not in the best shape because I'm not feeling that good, but we're gonna push through today. Hopefully we can push through today. All right, so what do we have planned for today? So every year without the COVID years, let's not count those years, the lockdown years, I mean, we have Donkey Carnival in Crofts Hill. So I normally go, so I'm hoping to film today. So this should be a nice little vlog for you guys. So Donkey Carnival pretty much is, we have races, the donkey races, and it normally has rides, food, and all of that. So just to give those who don't live here a little feel of what that is, just a little fun little Jamaican vlog. So all right, so I really have no idea. I wanted to dress up all Jamaican-y and all of this, but I don't know what I wear. I have something in my head. I had something in my head once because I was thinking of my biker shorts and didn't find like a Jamaican blouse. But then the biker shorts, I never washed the black one, so I can't wear gray. That's not part of Jamaica color. So the next option is to wear my black joggers with one of the Jamaica shirt and my black Crocs. I need to rinse off the black Crocs because I dusted it up yesterday. So yeah, but yes, that is what today is gonna entail. How are you guys doing though, by the way? I know you guys have been seeing the vlogs coming in, those vacation vlogs. The vacation vlog I'm about 2 or 3 weeks ago. It is a lot. Oh, this is so cute. I was actually gonna look for like things on emancipation to tell you guys and all of that. This is really cute. So cute. Anyways, let's look at it. I'm press that on so I'm gonna actually see. Yay! It's so cute. I'm gonna take a screenshot so I can insert it right here so you guys can see what I'm seeing. But anyways, yes, so it's celebration. It's our 60th. I was supposed to mention that, that is why it's so big. It's our 60th independence. So yeah, so this is like a public holiday for Jamaicans. I think for Americans this is like July 4 or something like that. I'm not really sure how July 4 goes for you guys in the US, or Canada Day for those in Canada, or the other countries. I'm not sure what you guys normally do exactly, but this is like our Independence Day. So basically, Independence Day for Jamaica, it celebrates the time when we were independent from the United Kingdom, because if you don't know, we were under the ruling of the United Kingdom for a while, and in 1962 August 6th we actually became independent of that. So we actually celebrate this lovely day of being totally free, because it's a big achievement, you know. We're big. And we have had so many things over the years, you know, so many lovely times over the years. So nice day. So it's supposed to be a big day. I think they're having Grand Gala later. You see, if me I watch that later, I'm off a showpiece site. Why in my room? But anyways, so you know, let me know in the comments down below, because this video will pretty much come out after August 6th. So let me know in the comments down below what you did for your August 6th. What happened in your little town? What happened in your little home? You know, what you do? What did you do? And if you're not from Jamaica and you know you don't know anything about Independence Day, you know, let me know how you enjoyed this vlog. Tell me your favorite part of the vlog. You know, what did you learn from the vlog? Whatever, you know. Yeah. So anyways, without further ado, I need to go find breakfast, but as I said, I don't really feel that good, but my mother don't really feel that good either. Pretty much we's a family of not feeling good today, but we're going to Donkey Carnival, and I'm hoping, I'm praying no rain no fall today. Every year, give no story. Every year when we got Donkey Carnival, rain fall and me get wet. 1 year I had these sneakers. It's kind of Swedish looking sneakers. Like, first time I wear the sneakers, you know, and I wore the sneakers go down the road, and the rain fall, and the people wake me up. Hey, it's a year they are vexed because we were under the tent, a shelter. Rain already I catch piece of me, you know, and this man come and push up the top on, you know, like when you have water pan top on and then push it off. But I'm like, you know you're gonna do that, why you not tell me to move? The man wake me up. You know, vex. We pretty much walk out from that tent and say, might as well we go. Might as well we walk home, because if me I go get wet under here, so might as well we just walk home. And I think every year after that, I don't know if we actually get wet, but I know 2 years we got wet down there, our tree. I don't know, but every year we get wet. So we are just, you know, we are prepared for this this year. But I'm hoping and I'm praying, fingers crossed, no rain no fall today. But yes, let us get into the day. Me talk too much right now. Bye. Rita, what you out there doing, Rita? Rita, what you out there doing, Rita? Good morning, world. Oh, look at the angels sleeping over here. Happy Independence Day! Hi. What's up? Up! Guys, we're making fritters. Mom, can I have my saltfish? Thank you.
So glad.
Got some some red pepper, and then we got some black pepper. Just a season up the fritters. So here, people. Curry powder. This is what makes the fritters not white. We love them yellow. And it kind of add flavor to it too. I don't normally add salt, but mommy I take too long with the saltfish.
Okay. Get the salt.
Mommy, you get the saltfish, please.
Yeah, let's get it.
Mommy, do something for me now.
So, okay, you need to take it out the fridge.
So me don't take it, say, Mom.
You don't know that.
No, I never remember.
So I give you this sugar.
Me not give nothing else. Porridge. So guys, this is the first part of the breakfast. Porridge, cornmeal porridge by the chef herself. We got Shani that is finally awake. Another one, the mom and dad. I mean, you see. Anyways, tell her wait for mommy for the shellfish. You know so long.
The hand is not working well.
So, hand. So where's the knife?
On the left hand. Let's go rub it to the right hand. Rub it to you.
Could I get a knife, please? Where's that big man?
Birthday to me.
What?
It's Jamaica's birthday. I'm a Jamaican.
Oh.
I'm a Jamaican tour guide. Don't you want to know more?
Yes.
Singing fun.
Anybody else eat their porridge with bread in there?
When I was doing my
Alright, fritters mix ready and all. So yes guys, this is the suit. This is the joggers I was telling you guys about. And my Jamaica shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna shower now. Alright guys, so I'm finished bathing. I hope you guys don't mind the fan because my hat. I have to have on the fan. Anyways, I'm gonna comb my hair now. My hair desperately in need of processing. So I'm gonna have to gel this down. But I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. I don't know. Afraid to have cold. Oh gosh. Alright, so hair is done and clothes is done, but we're not ready for now. So make a place steams in the meanwhile. Me will soon. What did I tell you guys? You know, it's raining. Yeah. Alright, so it's actually 1:09 right now. It's currently raining. Good thing we don't go downstairs. We haven't left home. I'm currently, as you guys saw earlier, I'm doing the program. Well, Daddy sent me the program early, so I'm like, you know, why not use the time to do it? So I was doing that. I'm almost finished actually. So I have one song left to do. Yes, during the fall. Just saying, you know, I know the rain was gonna fall. This godmother and I wrote at that time, you know. But we're still gonna go. I haven't heard any music or anything, so I'm gonna know if nothing still a keep. I know they're cooking, so if I just for the food, but you know, I know something I keep, so fingers crossed. Come on, let's go. We're very not serious. Hi guys. Just say hi guys. People I don't know.
Blue shirt! Blue shirt! Blue shirt! Blue shirt! Blue shirt! Blue shirt! Blue shirt!
Just go and then I come back.
Yes, me tired, sun hot. The sun for the sun body. Me I go watch TV.
We're tired.
Let me see, it's the break.
No, too big. No, too big. Alright guys, so I am back home. We actually came home and then on a road a while ago. I follow mom to go get something down there. Yeah. So yes. She was going back to exchange her coconuts because she found coconut never good. So I have to go back, get it. So I'm back. I'm gonna play Sims. Yeah, I want to play Sims and watch on YouTube in the meanwhile until I'm tired. I'm gonna go on my bed because I have church tomorrow. So yeah. Grand Gala starts. It does. Well, I'm gonna show you something. Me and this girl, I watch Grand Gala. Right? Oh, look at her. No, that's true. Anyways, may I play Sims in the meantime? So new videos coming up on the gaming channel soon. Yeah. Hey Shan. Wake up! Welcome. Who there? It's Oma. Yeah, how are you? Nobody cancel me on the Grand Gala. What do you wear? Grand Gala. Woo! Just gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this Independence vlog. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys did for your Independence. You know, what did you do? What did you guys have for dinner? What did you guys have for breakfast? I want to know everything. I'm fast. Comment them all down below. Thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.